In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Teams notifications during your holiday. This way, you can truly enjoy your downtime without any unnecessary interruptions. First, sign into your Microsoft Teams account. If you're already logged in, you're ahead of the game. If not, head over to the Teams website or open the application on your device and use your credentials to log in. Make sure you're accessing the correct account, especially if you manage multiple ones. Once inside Teams, look for the three dots, often called the ellipsis, at the top right corner of the window. Clicking these dots opens a drop-down menu, giving you access to various options to customize your Teams experience. From this drop-down menu, click on Settings. This is your gateway to modifying how Teams behaves, allowing you to tailor the application for a more personalized experience. In the Settings section, navigate to the Notifications and Activity tab. This section is very important when you want to control how often Teams pings you with updates. It holds the key to switching off those pesky notifications that might disrupt your relaxation time. Within the Notifications and Activity area, you have a range of options to customize notifications according to your preferences. You can choose to receive only critical alerts, mute everything completely, or continue receiving chats from specific people. The key is to explore these options and decide what you'll need while you're away. Taking the time to adjust your notification settings now ensures peace of mind during your well-deserved break. With these settings configured, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your holiday without the constant buzz of notifications pulling you back into work mode. Remember, it's essential to take time for yourself, and managing your notifications is a vital step toward achieving that. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy holidays and enjoy the silence.